हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने जा रही हूँ जन्माष्टमी का ऐसे। मैं आपके साथ 400 वर्ड्स के साथ ये ऐसे शेयर करूँगी। वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूँगी, अगर अभी तक आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए। तो शुरू करते हैं हम अपनी वीडियो। जन्माष्टमी फेस्टिवल इज सेलिब्रेटेड एज द बर्थडे ऑफ लॉर्ड कृष्णा। The festival is celebrated all over the world with full faith and reverence. Janmashtami is celebrated not only in India but also Indians settled abroad with full faith and gaiety. The day of birth anniversary of Lord Shri Krishna is celebrated with great pomp, which is celebrated on the Ashtami date of Krishna Paksh of Bhadrapada month after Raksha Bandhan. Shri Krishna was the eighth son of Devaki and Vasudeva. The king of Mathura city was Kans, who was very tyrannical. Once there was a voice from Akash that his sister Devaki's eighth son would kill her. Hearing this, Kans put his sister Devaki along with her husband Vasudeva in the dungeon. Kans killed Devaki's 7 children before Krishna. When Devaki gave birth to Sri Krishna, Lord Vishnu ordered Vasudeva to take Sri Krishna to Yashoda Mata and Nanda Baba in Gokul, where he would be safe from his maternal uncle Kans. Since then, the festival of Janmashtami is celebrated every year in the joy of his birthday. Temples are specially decorated on the day of Sri Krishna Janmashtami. There is a law of fasting for the whole day on Janmashtami. On the day of Janmashtami, the Handi competition is organized in many places in the country. Bal Govindas from all over the place participate in the Daihandi competition. We should adopt the message of Shri Krishna in our lives. अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो थोड़ी सी भी हेल्पफुल लगे तो प्लीज़ मेरी वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन के बटन को दबाना बिल्कुल ना भूलें ताकि आने वाली वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलती रहे। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग माई